Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin, your favorite place to wise up on crypto. Well, congratulations. This is your Ethereum has made a new all-time high announcement along with some other Ethereum supporting news because as you know, congratulations, welcome if you're a member of the Wise community. If you're new to crypto or if you're new to Wise and you're just learning, congratulations. You're at a beautiful time, a right time. It's just the beginning. And while this is a new all-time high for Ethereum, it has just hit this all-time high. It's been just testing it for a little while now, and it's poised, as many people feel, to break like Bitcoin has recently broken and doubled from its previous all-time high and then some. And Ethereum, as you know, or if you don't know, is well, let's take a look at it. It's the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. And bada bing, bada boom, let's refresh this page and see what we are looking at. But as Bitcoin was meant to be digital gold, digital money, and a proof of work blockchain, while Ethereum is also a proof of work blockchain, Ethereum was not designed to be money in and of itself. It was designed to host smart contract, decentralized applications, smart contracts, and those which can be more complex and can do more functions than a proof of work blockchain can without maintaining its security. um, and here we are, years later, Ethereum's developed a beautiful ecosystem of decentralized finance. You can see right now that Ethereum is this new all-time high over $1,540. And we can see it in the last 24 hours has grown 10%, almost 11%. Now, as you know, one of the beautiful things about Wise Token, this brand new cryptocurrency that is a month old, just a month old, and we see, let's go find our Wise token, which is already starting to climb up through the ranks. And yep, here we go. 10.3%. Well, it's marking its growth because Wise token, not only does it grow with Ethereum, Ethereum backs Wise token. You can see Wise token starting its journey upwards. But now, of course, as more people join the ecosystem and as Wise grows, it gets the ETH gains plus the Wise gains. So be ready for that. Welcome to the wonderful world of Wise, the wonderful world of Wise. It's just getting started. I sped this up. I like to listen to these things fast. So if you listen to me fast, then you might want to slow it down. But here we go. Let's check this out from Raoul Pal. Well, he's a major voice in cryptocurrency. He's a major voice in markets, a major voice as a wise, experienced investor. If you haven't heard of him, I will leave links to all this. This is an educational resource, Wise Beyond Bitcoin. We do provide premium educational content for your DeFi cryptocurrency growth and learning needs. So I will leave this to learn about him, the CEO of Real Vision, and some of the other co-head of hedge fund sales and equity derivatives of Goldman Sachs in Europe, based in London. So he has done many things, has been around, launched Real Vision, the Netflix of finance, and just he's done many things, and he's a big voice in cryptocurrency. Here is an article right here on Cointelegraph that I will also link, and it says, after Ethereum, next stop will be higher risk alts, says Bitcoin investor Raoul Pal. Well, higher risk alts, and how about low risk alts? As you know, Wise Token is a complete protocol that's it's audited, it's had bug bounties, it's secure, it is done, and it's functioning on the chain, no intermediaries. So unlike other DeFi projects where you have to trust third parties, with Wise Token, you do not. You lock it up in time and on chain, your tokens will grow and your access to that big fat pool of Ethereum, your key to Ethereum grows with it. I'm scrolling down because recently, if you watched my recent video, one of my recent videos on MLM and scams and how that works, I mentioned Metcalfe's Law because Metcalfe's Law is, did I scroll past it? There you go. Metcalfe's Law. Oops, ETH looks just like Bitcoin, Metcalfe's law seems to be the key to price for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, Metcalfe's law, network effects, it's just the understanding that as adoption grows, the value grows with it. And with Wise Token, you get compounded Metcalfe's law. You get the Metcalfe's law of Ethereum plus the Metcalfe's law of Wise Token as that ecosystem develops. But let me go straight to this article is about Ethereum, the altcoins, and how they grow and they move together. Now, of course, there's a reason for that because Ethereum, the value of Ethereum, it is the gas, it's the juice that powers this beautiful ecosystem of ERC20 contracts, smart contracts, these tokens like Wise Token and many others like Chainlink. In fact, I shall leave this as well. I do often, I should have had this pulled up, but DeFi Pulse is a great resource, and soon enough, Wise Token will be properly listed. But DeFi Pulse just shows you the billions of dollars, 30.7 billion locked in USD, and it shows you the billions in the chains that they're on. Now look, Ethereum just dominates. Ethereum dominates. Of course, you see Uniswap, which is the largest decentralized exchange, and it's number 4 in all of DeFi for Ethereum with 3.35 billion locked up. And of course, Wise Token uses Uniswap as a virtual bank. It is a locked liquidity that cannot be removed, where any human being with an Ethereum wallet, MetaMask wallet, and Wise tokens can go and grab that Ethereum. Bada bing, bada boom. So this is a great resource just to help paint a picture. When people say they expect Ethereum to grow, the value to grow, there are many protocols that are built on Ethereum. And this is not all the this is not all the tokens. These are just the DeFi protocols. There are many things that are built on Ethereum where it continues to grow value and be of service in DeFi. Now, of course, you'll hear this DeFi pop up over and over again now. And with traditional finance failing, with Robinhood, Citadel, Apex, clearinghouses, and the debacle with all the brokerage firms, with that and people looking for more transparency in finance, you're going to see a lot more DeFi. And of course, many projects out there that call themselves DeFi, they still require AML KYC. They still have third parties. There's still a foundation or a group that's in control, and there's still that third party human risk, which is what we saw was the problem with traditional finance. So Wise Token is true DeFi. It's not as high risk. It doesn't promise as grandiose things as maybe others do. It's more low risk. However, what it stands to be, and that there is nothing else like it on the Ethereum network, there is potential for growth in other ways. But let's get right to this quick update from Raoul Pal, what he feels about Ethereum.
Crypto was 25% in gold at that time. And then, as of, I think it was like November 29th, he fired up that tweet. I'm selling my gold. I'm moving 98% of my investable assets into crypto. And again, tons has changed just since November 29th. So can you update us on where you stand today? And are you making any plans to diversify in the near term, or are you comfortable with that right now? And I guess I'm asking on the back of the 400% price appreciation in Bitcoin since that.
It's done pretty well. But compared to prior cycles, it should go a lot further. But all prior cycles have multiple 40%, 30% corrections.
Yes.
I think it probably goes higher before we get the correction. So Bitcoin might get a 50,000. There's even an outside chance that we go up to 100,000 by mid-Feb and then correct 40%. I don't know. My way of playing that is I'm all in. I'm not expecting to close any position.
Now look, he's all in. This is an experienced, wise investor, and he understands market cycles, and he talks about 30 to 40% corrections and just hodling and being all in and not trying to be silly. That is, think about that. When you come into Wise Token or into markets in general, that's the kind of mindset you should have for a project that you see, that you recognize value, and that you believe in. You should recognize the cycles that exist, just regular general market cycles. And when you see corrections 30, 40, 50%. Of course, in other cryptos and Bitcoin, it's been 80 to 90%. However, when you see these corrections, recognize them as for what they are, and don't let the FUD worry you into making those paper hands. Keep those strong diamond hands, right? So let's listen to the rest of this pardon.
Positions until the end of the year, maybe into next year. So I will just, if I get any more cash, I will just buy a dip, and I'll be tilting it more towards Ethereum than Bitcoin. I'm currently 80-20. Add to Ethereum because I think it's going to outperform in this cycle.
The move towards Ethereum.
Yeah, okay, that helps answer a question for me. And you know, when I see an asset class appreciate 400% a year, you know, we've all seen 1,000 charts that look like that, and 99% of them end the same way, with some kind of a correction, right? Obviously, it's incredibly tempting to take some profits and take cash off the table. I've exercised restraint, again, based off the conversation, actually not that we had last spring, but just commentary. I've heard you talking about your strategy. You're not trying to trade it. Like, I'm not losing sleep over this, right? I have enough confidence in the long-term basis.
See that confidence. Do not try to trade it. I mean, these are actually, if you want to build wealth and you really believe and understand the value of a project, that's the mindset. Not, oh, look at the price 1 week to the next. Oh my gosh, it's been 2 weeks. It's been 3 weeks. How come it's like literally just set it, forget it. However, what they're not aware of yet on the Ethereum protocol, there actually exists on the Ethereum network. There actually exists a protocol where when you set something for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you can earn interest on it. That's right. You can earn interest on it, and you can come out and grab more Ethereum than you started with. So let's listen to the rest of this.
Put it this way. So it's now at 40,000 as we speak.
Bitcoin.
If it had a 50% crash, it's still at 20,000, which is still higher than any of us got in at.
Right.
So, you know, it was there like a month ago at 20,000.
Yeah.
So put it in perspective. Yes, it looks horrible when you see a P&L go down, but it's okay. And if you can then add more for the next run up, because these...
So that's exactly how you look at markets. By the way, for those who are new to crypto, and you're new to, if you've said anything negative about this chart, then you're new to crypto. So in a month, Wise token started at 16 cents and then immediately on launch hit a 20% floor above that. Actually shot up all the way 25 cents. Then it corrected, it came down. And for days before, it had a wall of investment waiting, and there it had its initial rise, its initial surge. This is the risk-free. This is the wall of money that's waiting post distribution when the liquidity was locked and made it to Uniswap successfully from all those people who put their funds, put the Ethereum in to load the pool previously. Now check this out. Here we go. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Come up nice, and then what? A 40-50% correction. Boom. But like you said, unless you came in at this last second, everyone here who came in benefited. And even here, all you have to do is lock it up, earn your interest, and HODL, stake it till you make it. Now, Ethereum's starting to hit an all-time high. It's been on tear. Now, of course, you can see as we scroll in, the same thing has been going on here with Wise. As predicted or as understood from the fundamentals, when you're pegged by an asset and that asset starts to grow, well, you start to grow with it. So let me go back. I digress. And once this, there we go. I hit back to this tab and boom.
So cycles tend to be much longer.
What a beautiful video. I'm going to link this video.
So that's okay. You know, I think the chances are it goes somewhere between 200,000 and 300,000 by, you know, Feb, March next year.
Okay. Now you briefly mentioned there you're looking at Ethereum. You were weighted 80-20 BTC to Ethereum, and are you expecting that to change in 2021?
Yeah, I'm hoping to add to Ethereum soon, and I will probably continue to add to that, because if I look at the chart of Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it looks like it's basing. Usually, Ethereum is also very much following the 2017 Bitcoin cycle, both in price, in number of wallet addresses, in market cap. I mean, it's identical. It's kind of spooky, which tells you this is being driven by Metcalfe's law and adoption effects.
Metcalfe's law again. You hear that?
So if that's the case, then we know Ethereum.
Metcalfe's law. Look, it came up again. I love it. That's hilarious. Look, just the reason I say that is because many people, they say, well, the only value of Wise token is if more people join the community. It's like, well, yeah, you're talking about a big fat pool of gold, a big fat pool of Ethereum. It grows when more people join and add to that pool, and we all share in using this currency together and join and grow the network. So Metcalfe's law, that telecommunication network is proportional, the effect is proportional to the square number of connected users. It's dangerously influential. Let's see, here we go. Simply put, it says that the value of a communications network is proportional to the square of the number of its users, the value. So here we go. The value of a network. The value of a network grows with adoption. That is a law that all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Wise token. Of course, Wise token has the Metcalfe's law of Ethereum and Wise token compounded, but okay. I just love that Metcalfe's law. So just if you're in the Wise community or if you're new, many people say, well, the value is other people joining. It's like, yeah, this is digital money. It becomes more valuable the more people use it. However, the difference is when more people use this one, their value is real, it's ledgered, and they're secured by their value. No one else can take it away from them. That's pretty nice. Okay.
Ethereum has a decent chance of getting to 20,000, considering right now it's at 11,800. Oh, sorry, 1,180. I mean, holy shit, that's a value proposition. Even with Bitcoin going to 200,000 to 300,000, one's 8x, one's 16x from here.
Ethereum 16x.
Yeah, okay, you said hoping to add soon. So walk me through your decision-making process.
Ethereum 16x in the same time frame that Bitcoin would do, a 6x or so. The idea is that look at the movement, the market cap, the size of Bitcoin, and for it to grow. And of course, for me, it's also look at what Ethereum has been accomplishing and what's going on the network right now. It definitely makes sense that there's potential for exponential growth for Ethereum over the next year. As you know, I don't talk about prices and would be pleasantly surprised and not surprised one way or the other. When we see what happens, we'll understand it then. That being said, it appears that many of the minds in the space feel very strongly that Ethereum is more undervalued than Bitcoin at the moment, while both asset classes are undervalued and staged for major growth.
Process there, if you could.
No decision, it's cash. I'm all in, right? As soon as I get some extra cash, I'll put it in.
Got it.
So,
Damn.
That's how I'm dealing with this is, and I'm hoping I get a dip, but if not, I'll still buy it because I'm not worried about the 50% correction.
Okay. Okay, very cool. Now, okay, I want to pivot a little bit.
So just to clear, why am I not worried about the 50% correction? I've got no leverage in the trade.
Yeah.
I know what I can stand to lose. It's not, I'm an all-in, this is my whole life is riding on this. It's not.
Yeah.
This is a very significant bet for me, but taken from a calculated risk perspective.
Very important to understand. Thank you for expanding on that and clarifying that. Okay. I want to jump into another theme I've heard you cover, which is essentially the end of the US dollar bull market and the emergence of emerging economies. And a quote that I just loved, I believe you tweeted it.
Okay. I'm going to leave a link to this video if you'd like to watch the rest of this video down below in the description, along with other links to this other beautiful educational information so that you can do this research on your own, learn more about this gentleman, learn more about his views, learn more about other people and what they're saying about Ethereum and altcoins. Of course, check out DeFi, check out Metcalfe's law and learn about that for yourself. Nomics is a great resource to check out many of the cryptos by their market cap. And of course, wisebeyondbitcoin.com. Now, look, how do you support this grassroots labor of love, this effort? Do you send me money? No, I don't want your money. Don't send me your money. Join the community. That's what you do. Do your research and join the community. If you're like, oh man, I like that content. I like that research. Man, that helped me out a lot. What? You don't want me to send you money? No, don't want you to send me. Just join the community and check it out. After you follow the 3 steps, if you already know how to get MetaMask and Ethereum, you're already up to speed. If you're brand new to crypto, I walk you through all 3 steps. Bada bing, bada boom. It's so easy. The link right there. How to get your free crypto wallet. How to acquire Ethereum. I've got a video that walks you through all the steps. Where to go to switch your Ethereum for Wise token, and then this is it. How do you pay it forward? How do you show love? How do you say, Lucas, thank you for what you're doing. We really appreciate it. Well, we want to stake and earn our interest. That's it. Join the community, earn your interest. So whatever you decide to lock up for a year, 2, 3, it has to be, well, do whatever you'd like. Um, but a year plus is the bonus referral that helps us out. And it's also, you know, a year, 2, 3, set some out 2, 3, 4 years. I mean, we're talking about cryptocurrency. Be real with yourself. Give yourself an opportunity to see where things happen, see where things are at a couple years from now, and then 3 years from now. And in the meantime, you will literally be earning interest that if you needed to, you could scrape, but it's recommended you don't stake the whole thing, keep some liquid so that you can share it, you can spend it, you can gift it, you can exchange it if you needed to, and then keep a portion that you can set it and forget it, and lock it up and let it grow interest. So the way you share the love is you click on this link, and it's going to take you right over to the beautiful, amazing. I mean, this thing is top notch. It's been redone. This is the brand new official Wise Token website, and you can see, boom, the interest. You can see, just all the analytics, some great information. Your MetaMask wallet will click up right there. You'll come over to staking dashboard. You'll click regular stake. And then when you fill in this amount right here, it'll by using our link, it'll have our referral address. You'll get a 10% referral bonus on your shares, and you will just straight up, you'll click, oh, well, I should show you the whole thing. You'll click down here. It won't say self referral. It'll click regular stake. You'll hit that, follow through, boom. You'll immediately be one of the first Wise token the first year at the beginning of the community. You'll be in the Ethereum smart contract protocol. This can all be seen, and you will be literally earning an interest. Now, depending how long you lock it up, is the kind of interest that you will acquire. So just remember, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, get a little spicy if you like. Think about what your risk preference, your risk tolerance is. But it's a beautiful project. And this is no third parties. This is not at risk of someone in here changing this or taking. This is all done through your own MetaMask wallet, through the smart contract, and the access to Ethereum can't be taken away either. All of this right here, you go straight over to Uniswap, and bada bing, bada boom. So thank you for that, love, and that's it. Isn't that amazing that you can share the love with us by just loving yourself? And that's it. I don't send us any Wise token. Don't send us any Ethereum. I mean, but seriously, no. Better yet, grow it yourself and share it with your friends and family, and gift and get it growing. If you're brand new and you're like, I need to walk me through it, baby steps. We got baby steps. And they're not babies. I mean, we got grown-up steps, because I know it's like baby boomers, my generation. You've been working, you've been making money. You haven't had time to figure it out, but it doesn't take you long. You've lived through the VCR, you lived through the pager, you lived through a lot of things. You can figure this out. You got an email address, you can do this. 3 steps, stake it. I walk you through a live example right there. Bada bing, bada boom. And little tricks, little tips. Scroll down this website, learn more about the protocol. We do a live stream every Monday night. If you can't see, if my picture, if my video, if my face is covering it up at the top right of this screen, it says it. You'll have to come to the website. We do a live stream every Monday on our YouTube channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and scroll down, learn how Wise works, understand how it's made crypto history. And hey, you know what? Check it out on Uniswap. Check it out on Uniswap. Check out what Wise Token has done and is doing. $222 million and growing in total liquidity. I mean, beast mode. It's absolute beast mode. A beautiful project, a beautiful time to be in DeFi, beautiful time to be in something that's absolutely locked and backed by ETH, the first ETH bond. Wise tokens are redeemable in ETH. So we know how people feel about Ethereum. I have more updates on Ethereum and the long prospects of Ethereum compared to Cardano and Polkadot, and some other information coming up in the next video. So again, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, stay tuned. I look forward to growing in this Wise journey with you, and more educational information as we share. The Monday discussions are interactive because we learn and we wise up together. Until the next time, have a beautiful day. Namaste. Thank you for your time and interest in our labor of love. We share our work to plant seeds of abundance and prosperity for a more harmonious way. This is not financial advice, and we encourage you to do your own research. We are not paid or sponsored, and we do not seek your money or investment. To show us love and pay it forward, just use our referral link in the description or at wiseboundbitcoin.com for claiming your 10% bonus crypto. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. If you disagree with our views, feel free to share with someone you find disagreeable.